is Jamie Taylor, and today is November 22nd, and I'm going to be talking about the chicken wing dissection. And here are the note card that just make sure I talk about what was asked. And I'm trying to position this where we can kind of see it. So in this chicken wing, we have the bones that make up the joint. Here we have the the humerus right here, and it goes into the over here. The radius and the ulna make up these joints here. This synovial joint, and then right here we have the articular cartilage. It's helps protect at the surface of the bones here as that joint goes in. The synovial membrane, I had kind of a hard time seeing. Hopefully you can see right here. I think I clipped a little too much, but there's a little membrane. There we go. Membrane right here that's around. Distort even more. So here's the membrane, the synovial membrane. It helps contain the synovial fluid that would be inside that membrane. And it's just that synovial fluid that's inside that membrane helps just to lubricate the bone. And then the articular capsule is, I think you can see it best on this side, maybe over here. Here's the articular capsule, which just envelops. I guess you can see it right here too. Let me point. Here's the articular capsule. It just helps to envelop the different parts within that joint. There we go. Hopefully you can see that okay. So that is the synovial joint, and that is my rough beginning of trying to dissect. I hopefully will improve on showing a disease that affects the joints would be rheumatoid arthritis. That's a chronic inflammation of the joints, and it's a disease where it attacks itself, the tissue. The body starts to attack its own tissue, and so that causes swelling, inflammation, and if that happens over a period of time, then it would cause the bones to erode, and the joints eventually would have some deformity as a result of that disease that affects the joints.